Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn about the use of had. Had is the past simple form of the verb to have. When do we use had? Had is the past tense form of have and has. We use had to show possession. That means that something that belongs to you, okay, or you possess something. Or to talk about an event in the past. Here we have some examples. I had a dog last year. That is a possession. I had a birthday party yesterday. That's an event. Possession. You had a dog. You possess a dog. Event. You went to a birthday party. You celebrated a birthday party. Okay? As I have told you before, had is a friendly verb. Okay, I told you that had gets along with all the nouns and all the subjects. There is no change. So we use had with singular and plural nouns or subject pronouns. What means singular? Singular is when you talk about only one noun, or about a subject that talks about one noun, the subject pronoun. And plural is when you talk about two or more nouns, okay? Or subject pronouns that talks about more than two nouns. As you see in this picture, had is the same with every single subject pronoun. There is no change. See? No change. So, if we combine with the subject pronouns, we have I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, they had. There is no change. How do you identify that a sentence is in the past tense form? Very easy. If we use the following time expression words, it's going to be easy to identify the past tense form of had. Okay, so time expression words we can use as keywords, or we can use as palabras claves, um, as we say in Spanish. So keywords are palabras claves. The time expression words are yesterday, that means the day before today. Last night, the night before tonight. Last week you had classes. This week you stayed at home. Last year you were in fourth grade. Last Monday you had classes. This Monday you were at home. If we look at these two examples, we have keyword and keyword plus the word had and had. So these two go together. If you find this word here, the time expression word in the past, then we know that we need to write had. Okay, so we had English yesterday. My friend had math last week. Time expression word, time expression word. Okay, are you clear with this information? Yep. All right. Now, how do you identify a sentence in the past tense form? Let's check. Here, we have to identify which sentence is in the past tense form. Sentence number one, I have music class now. I had art class yesterday. Very easy. Did you already identify the sentence? Yeah, of course. Sentence number two, we have the word had And we have the time expression word, yesterday. That was very easy, right? Right now, we're going to, it's going to be more challenging. We're going to see which sentence need had. Let's check these three sentences and see. Look at each word on each sentence and find out which sentences need the word had. Okay, are you ready? Okay, right. If you picked sentence 1 and 3, you're correct. Perfect. Okay, on sentence number 1, I guess you look at the word last week, these two words, time expression word. So if you look at these two words, we know that this sentence is in the past tense form, so we need to write the word had. Sentence number 3, Jack and the time expression word last Saturday. If you looked at this word, you already know that we need to write the word had here because this already is telling us that the sentence is in the past tense, right? Let's look at the sentence number 2. I, blah, 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 good grades in math this year. This year, we're talking about this year, 2020, that means present. So, is this sentence talking about the past? No, it's talking about this year's present. So what do we need to write here? The word. We don't need to write had. We need to write the word have. Okay, so I have good grades in math this year. We had a science test last week. Jack had fun at the birthday party last Saturday. To make it clear and easier to write sentences in the past tense form, we're going to check the next chart. This is the formula to write sentences with had. Okay, this formula has 4 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 1 goes the subject. Subject could be a noun or a pronoun. Step 2, had, because we're talking about the past. Step 3, event or possession. Step 4, time expression word. Sentence number 1, let's check. We have a pronoun as a subject. Pronoun we. Had, we're using had to express an event in the past. Language homework is the event, and yesterday is the time expression word. When did it happen? It was yesterday. Sentence number 2 is different. We are using my teacher, which is a noun. Okay, the subject is a noun. My teacher had a red car. This is possession. When? Last year. Time expression word. Sentence number 3. We have a subject pronoun. I had past tense form. Classes is an event. Last week is time expression word. It tells when. When did we have classes? Last week. Are you clear with this information? Yeah. All right. So we're done. Right now, what are we going to do is this. To do. We are going to use our notebook, and we are going to write first today's date. Then we're going to copy this information on your notebook. And third, you're going to write 5 sentences with had plus time expression words. You can write sentences about real events or possessions. For example, a real event is I had, in my case, I had a Jeep last year. I had work last week. Or I had classes last week. Okay, so you can be creative and write good sentences. As soon as you finish, take a picture of your sentences only and send it to my mail. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.